Is your Apple Watch Ultra 3 getting too hot? You're not alone. Some users experience overheating, especially while charging or during intense activity. This usually manifests as wrist heat, rapid battery drain, or performance slowdowns. The good news is, it's often due to software or environmental factors, not hardware failure. High-power tasks like GPS tracking or wireless charging can generate excess heat. Keep your watch updated to the latest watchOS, as Apple releases updates with thermal management optimizations, such as watchOS 11.2, which reduced heat-related issues by 25%. A force restart, holding side button plus digital crown, can also provide immediate relief. To prevent overheating, start by adjusting your settings. Disable unnecessary notifications to reduce battery drain and heat generation. When charging, always use a certified Apple charger on a flat, cool surface. Avoid charging in hot environments and stop charging at 80% to prevent overheating. If you notice wrist heat, wear the watch loosely for better ventilation and pause intense app usage during workouts or GPS tracking. Regularly restart your watch to clear temporary issues that could cause overheating. By following these steps, you can keep your Apple Watch Ultra 3 running cool and extend its battery life. If problems persist, contact Apple support.